welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is the next section of my unboxing of my haul from Fansells. Now they have been kind enough to allow me to pick items to unbox for you guys. I do try to keep them varied, but I do try to make sure that I like them. Otherwise, who wants to do a diamond painting that you don't like? So you do get a bit of, you know, my choice in things. But so far, I've enjoyed working on pretty much all of the Fansells paintings. I find them, I do like big paintings, I do like big challenges, but I am finding that these are very nice snacky paintings. They're very nice. I find the pictures do turn out good quality, and I'm quite enjoying doing these to feel that level of satisfaction of getting one done. So for this series of unboxing, I am highlighting different areas of their website, because I noticed the category things all across the top, and I thought, why not? Helps me narrow down my choices. So these are from the top 300. So they have a section on their website that's the top 300 that has sort of been ordered. Each of these paintings are on the website for £2.99 each. So these are all £2.99 paintings. So I've had to sort of slip open the end to figure out which paintings are which for my videos. But apart from that, I've not looked in depth. So this is the first. So what do we have first? So first we have this football. So we have a basic toolkit with this one. So just wax, boat and a pen. And then of course we have the diamonds. So let me just fold this the opposite way. Because this is poured glue, it can very much cope with being folded. A lot better than any with the opaque cover over the top. So I wouldn't suggest doing this on the other ones, but on these with poured glue, they're fine. You can give them an iron over if you do want to, just to make sure that they're flat before you start working on them, but don't panic that they come folded. So that is the football. I'm just going to change my battery in my camera because I've just realised it started flashing, and I'll come back so we can have a look at this properly. Okay, battery's changed. That battery goes from being full to flashing with nothing in between. Okay, so this is a full drill, and it is a football. So that is the actual picture image, and that is your diamond painting image, which I think is a pretty decent representation. So I'm going to have a look and measure both the canvas size and the diamond painting. So the canvas, if we go to the line, which is where they normally cut it, is 30 by 30, but the actual drill area is 23 by 23. Now I'm pretty sure that's the size of my IKEA frame. Might have to check that one out at a later date. I'm pretty sure I've got a square frame that I thought would fit a 20 by 20, but it was actually a little bit bigger. Maybe this would fit in it. But part of the reason for me ordering this one, because as I say, I do order ones that I want to do, and ones that I like, is I have seen this image a lot, so I do know it is a popular image. But I thought this would look really good in a boys' room. I thought this would be something that would be nice to frame and potentially give to somebody who likes football, soccer, whatever you call it. Somebody who likes football. I thought this could be something that would be nice as a gift, for a little bit of different decor. I do like ones that you can, you know, make as home decor. So that's why I ordered this one. So it is 18 colours, but this one does not have DMC numbers. Now, some do, some don't. From Fansells, I find some of them have the DMC numbers and some of them don't, but this is one that doesn't. So, colours wise, we've got a couple of blues. We've got some yellows and oranges, of course, as you'd expect for the fire. We've got some browns and some peaches. More browns and peaches. More brown. We've got some greys and some whites. And more greys. No black though, by the looks of it. That's not a bad thing. So yeah, we've got quite a few different colours in there, but I think that will turn out to be a nice little painting that would potentially be a gift. So when I review that one, I will let you know about the frame. So what is the next one? So again, just to confirm, these are all £2.99. I will link to both the paintings and the categories. So this one I got as sort of a test. Now, actually from a distance, you can read that. So I got this as like a mini test one. I wanted to see if you would be able to read it in the size that they do. So again, this is a canvas size of about 30 by 30, and it is a drill area. This one is actually 24 by 24, so slightly bigger than the football one was, and this one does have DMC numbers. But as much as when I look at this from where I'm stood and I don't think the lettering is clear, when I look through my camera, it is rather clear. So I love you more today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. The only thing I love you more today, maybe this one, than yesterday. That might not be quite as clear, but that could be my lighting. Might be a little bit different when it's done, but not as much as tomorrow. But really, for a painting that is in effect 24 by 24, I think that's pretty clear. I thought it would be a nice judgment of size, that one. It does have 28 colours, which I think will give it the clarification that it needs. Comes with your basic kit, so wax, pen, boat, and then of course 28 colours. So we have, I'm guessing we're going to have lots of greens and browns and blues. So we actually go from 20, so yeah, we've got some dark browns, greens, pinks, greens and greys. So quite a lot of these colours you don't need many of, and then you've got some like this purple that you need more, because these are all done by weight. So we've got some grey there with not a lot, quite a few different types of greys, and one grey we get quite a few, more greys, oh, and then there's more colours. Yeah, and here's the rest. And I actually, oh no, maybe we do have a black. Oh no, we don't. We don't have a black. So we have some purples. What did I think was black? 3371, very dark brown. Greys and purples again. So this one, as I say, does come with DMC numbers, so that can be handy when storing. But I thought that would be nice to see how the words turn out, which I don't think is too bad so far. I'm trying to find somewhere to stash the diamonds for each one that's in a separate place. Don't want to get them rolled up. Okay, and then this is the third one. Again, £2.99. Top popular pictures. So we have a basic toolkit again. Oh, but this one comes with a few baggies. This one does have DMC numbers and is 24 colours. So I'm just going to say this is poured glue. You can be a little bit rougher with the canvas with poured glue to make it fold flatter. You can always iron these on the back on a sort of low heat as well to get those creases out. This one, oh again, it's what I think a lot of this is down to the charting, you know, because when you look at this from where I am, you can sort of see the owl, but you can't see it really close. Let's see if I can get a mirror of it on the camera. So there we go. So that's sort of how I see it. And you're thinking, oh, okay, yeah, you can sort of see the owl and that. But when you actually move it further away, as it would be on a wall, I think that's pretty clear for that sort of size diamond painting. I'll take that. I took this as sort of, I'm not sure if this is Harry Potter related as well. I think it is. I think it's Harry Potter related. Just because of the glasses. That's what makes me think it is. It's the glasses. But I could be wrong. I'll have to ask one of the kids. This one does have black in it. But this one is advertised as a 30 by 40. Which I'd say, yeah. So that's the canvas size. The full canvas, not the drill area. The drill area on this one is actually nearer 25, just under 25 by just under 35. So you still do get quite a decent size drill area on this one. And then we'll have a quick scan through the diamonds and get in them. Now these are all round because I only found out after I'd placed my order that they now have squares. So keep an eye out. If I do end up with another order, I will be trying out the squares. So we have some burgundies and the sort of purpley, taupey colours. Loads of different colours in this one, no doubt. I'm wondering how much black. I guess we'll find out in a minute. So we've got some burgundies and some blues. Is that the black? Number 4, yeah. So it doesn't tell me the DMC numbers on the packets for these, but it does tell me on the chart. We got 2 lots of black. We got some greys and purples, greys, browns, pinkies, burgundies, navies. Ooh, what's that one? Number 14, is that a 939? It is a 939. How good am I getting? So that's like a really dark blue. We've got some peaches. One of these has got to be 3041 or something. 3041 and 3042 are in here as well. They're another popular colour. Oh, and then we've got some orange as well, which I'm guessing is around the light. So that's the third one. So for $2.99 each, I can see why these are being picked as popular ones in the top 300 on Fansells. This one has surprised me. You can see that a lot clearer than I potentially thought you could. And don't forget, I have got the film over it. Again, whereas when you take the film off, it's a little bit easier. I'm not sure how that yesterday will show up, but of course we'll see when it's done. And then we've got the football, which I like. They do call it football rather than soccer, but I'm guessing they just use the same name we do. I think this one would look nice in a frame on a boy's room. In a boy's room. This one could potentially look nice on a frame if you had a nice place in your house where you wouldn't be looking major close, you know, like in an alcove or something. I think that could end up looking really nice framed. It's like, it's farmhousey type, isn't it? Yeah, I might end up framing that one. And then we've got, of course, the Harry Potter one. So that's those 3 for this unboxing. And you'll have to, of course, stay tuned for my next unboxing from this company. But thank you to Fansells for helping providing this stuff so that I've got more things to show you. But as I say, it's completely up to you whether you want to purchase from them. I've been happy with every one I've had so far, and I'll be sure to tell you if for any reason I'm not. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.